Hello, I'm Eva James with the University of Florida Polk County IFAS Extension, and today we're harvesting strawberries. Okay, so one important aspect of harvesting strawberries is asking yourself, is it ready? Of course, we can tell by this one, it's got that green color to it. It's getting a little pink, but he's still not ready for harvesting. And then of course right here, it's kind of coming along, but it's got more time to go. And of course, you always want to look at both sides of the strawberry because initially it might look ready to go, but if you look at the back, it could still have too much of that white space on it. And a good rule of thumb is checking to see if your strawberry is 80% ripe or not. Ripe by meaning that it's red. But I prefer to wait until they've gained that really deep red color, which is what we're looking for ultimate sweetness and flavor. All right, so this guy here, he looks pretty good, but check the back and he's still pale. Okay, perfect. So we got ourselves a nice red strawberry. We checked both sides. He's good to go. In terms of actually picking it, of course, you're welcome to use pruners if you prefer, but I like to just snap the base and right at the stem, and voila, we see the hat and the strawberry, and this guy is ready for eating.
Now, an important thing to remember whenever you're harvesting your strawberries is that whatever color the fruit is when you pull it from the plant is the color that it will remain. Strawberries are not like bananas where over time they will ripen up more and have better flavor quality, so make sure whenever you pick them they are at a nice ripe color.
Now, when it comes to harvesting your strawberries, you're going to want to do this about twice a week, 3 times even if you prefer, but it takes a little time for them to turn red. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to click the links below if you have any more questions, and as always, like and subscribe. Happy gardening.